Are you prepared to handle concerns when they come up from your potential clients? Hi, I'm Debbie Hoffman and welcome to Follow Up Friday. So as I talk to people, what I'm hearing is when they're sitting down with a potential client during an enrollment conversation, or they're having a meeting where they're sharing their program or products or services, and concerns come up at the end, they don't know how to deal with them. And they're thrown off guard, they're shaken, they get flustered, and their confidence just sinks. So when I work with my clients, I help them to create what I call an objections library, which is a list of all the concerns that you hear from your clients and how you would respond to them. So I'm all about preparation, and the more prepared you are, the more your confidence will soar. So when these concerns come up, you're not shaken off guard, you're steady and present and grounded, and you come across more professional and more buttoned up. And that's going to translate into more people saying yes to work with you. So my invitation to you this week is create this list of the concerns you typically hear and how you would respond to them. So if you're looking for some help with this on how to respond to these challenging concerns that come up, I'd love to invite you to my upcoming Power Up Your Sales 7-week live online program. And during this program, I'm going to introduce you to my step-by-step system so you'll know how to powerfully share what you do to get people to lean in. You'll know how to network with a better intention, and hint is it's not to sell. And then how to follow up after a networking event, how to navigate these concerns that come up, how to pre-qualify your potential clients, how to ask for referrals, and how to invite people to work with you powerfully, plus so much more. So please go to www.powerupyourfollowup.com/sales to read more about the program, to get the information you need, and to register. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at debbie@powerupyourfollowup.com. I look forward to connecting with you next week on Follow Up Friday. Bye for now.